Building a Windows 11 or Windows 10 install drive? The best USB stick for the job isn't the biggest or fastest one on the shelf. Here's what actually matters: our top pick and the drives you can skip. First, storage. Microsoft's media creation tool asks for a blank USB drive with at least 8 gigabytes, and it erases everything on the stick during setup. 16 gigabytes removes the guesswork, and 64 adds room to stash drivers between installs. Second, speed. The number printed on the box is nearly always the peak read speed, but building install media is a write job, and in our testing, the download phase took longer than the write anyway. USB 3.0 is the practical floor. Our top pick is the SanDisk Ultra 64GB, the SDCZ48. It reads at up to 130 megabytes per second. The slide-out connector means no cap to lose, and is budget-friendly enough to dedicate to the job permanently. Want to step up? The Samsung BAR Plus has a one-piece metal body and hits up to 400 megabytes per second on the 128GB model. The low-profile SanDisk Ultra Fit sits nearly flush in a port, but it's easy to misplace. Skip the 20 gigabit solid-state sticks for this job. Install media is a one-time write, and setup uses the same few gigabytes, whether the drive holds 64 gigs or a terabyte. Put the savings toward a labeled spare instead. Don't worry about formatting. The official tool reformats the drive automatically, with partitions and boot flags handled for you. Building from an ISO by hand? Use Rufus. A wrongly formatted drive is invisible to the boot menu. So buy the boring drive, build the installer, write the date on it with a marker, and store it where you can find it. The full guide, alternatives, and frequently asked questions are on Fone.tips.